Hello everyone and welcome back to a new Clean With Me. Today I'm going to clean up right before I decorated for Christmas, and in today's video you get to see a little sneak peek of how the Christmas decor turned out, but make sure you head over to my main channel if you missed that video. I'll have it linked down below. Alrighty, I'm jumping right in by cleaning off the kitchen island first. This is our catch-all space. Every single day this island looks like this, no matter what. No matter how hard we try, it gets filled with random stuff, clothes, coffees, paperwork, gifts, food, you name it. It accumulates pretty fast. So I'm gonna get all this put away and then kind of just do the same thing in the dining room. Today is like main space focused. I'm not really tackling any rooms today or bathrooms. It's really just trying to get things tidied up because I was decorating the dining room and kitchen today, and I wanted to make sure that the space was clean before I started, because anytime I'm decorating, I already make a huge mess. So if I start with a mess, it'll be, oh my gosh, way, way too messy to even focus on what I'm working on, because y'all, I just like when I'm doing stuff, I'm like a tornado myself. You know, it's funny, I always complain like everyone just doesn't clean up after themselves. Neither do I. I'm just as bad.
Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces, you know it is all lies, you know it is all lies, and on it goes, round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with, on and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know, breathing out there for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything
All right, little mom hack here I wanted to share with you. So find you a basket, whether it's a laundry basket, a cheap one from Dollar Tree. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. I just happened to find this basket at a really good price at Bell's Outlet. But I have always done this. I've had some type of basket or box, something that I can throw little things in that belong to the kids. So that way they can put them away themselves whenever the day's over, or just whenever it's full, however you want to do it. For us, I don't mind if the basket fills up, but once it's full, everyone has to kind of help clean up the basket and put things away. It just makes cleanup really quick, especially if you are cleaning up last minute. Like if you have a guest coming over, it's just like run around, throw everything in a basket, shove the basket in the closet. It works every time. But no, seriously, the basket is just a quick throw for like all the little things that I find around the house.
put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah, isn't it a me crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? And on it goes, round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with, on it goes, swinging down in life, you know, breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear, keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on, what if we stay right here, make everything disappear, lay low in the beaches sun, put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on, front porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces, you know it is all lies, you know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything
All right, so moving into the kitchen, I am going to unload the dishwasher, and for some reason this is how I like to do it. I unload everything onto the countertop shut the dishwasher, and then put things away. For me personally, it just makes it a little bit more convenient and faster, so I'm not walking around the dishwasher or constantly reaching back and forth. I feel like it just, I don't know, maybe it's just an extra added step that I don't need, but this is just how I do it, and I've always done it this way.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So, you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and sweep the floors. So recently we've had to sweep a little bit more than vacuum because, as you can see, there's a ton of leaves. So we have a oak tree in our front yard, and around this time of year, the leaves are just so bad. As soon as you open the front door, they just kind of blow in. We're tracking them in constantly, so I usually have to sweep up a majority of the big chunkier stuff, and then I can go in with the vacuum and vacuum up the little stuff. I mean, to be honest with you, I sometimes vacuum up the leaves too, and my vacuum is the bomb.com. I have the Eureka stick vacuum that you're about to see in just a second, and it's so good. I don't know what it is about it, but it's easy to maneuver. The only thing I would say about it that I would change is I would make the canister like a little bit bigger, because it would be nice to vacuum a little bit more before you have to empty it, but you'd be surprised how much you can get to fit in that canister. And I swear by this vacuum, and it's affordable. So if you're in the market for a vacuum, I'll have it linked down below, and if I happen to forget, like I do for most links, and I apologize for that, I'm only human, I will link it real quick in the comments, or if y'all remind me, I'll try to remember to write it down. But I don't have a pen right now or a piece of paper. I'm editing at my kitchen countertop. So anyway, I'm going to finish up vacuuming this side of the house, and then this is where I start to get a little lazy and I start vacuuming up those leaves I was telling you about, but hey, it worked, and so it is what it is. So I'm going to get this done, but I am curious, how are you doing? Let me know in the comments. I feel like I don't ask y'all that enough. What have you been up to? Let me know. Tell me a little story. What have y'all been doing as a family? Have you been doing anything fun? Do you have any really fun plans for Christmas this year or traveling. And if you are traveling, please be safe, drive slow, take your time. No need to be in a hurry. You can get there eventually. But yeah, just let me know, how have you been? Feel free to share down below in the comments and we can chat with each other. That's one thing that I absolutely love about my channel, both of my channels actually, is the comment section. Y'all have always been so sweet to each other. I mean, don't get me wrong, I have a few that like comment mean things and y'all come to my rescue, which I appreciate. Please don't feel like you have to do that. Sometimes, you know, misery loves company type of thing. But anyway, I love that my comment section is like 99.9% positive, and y'all are always so encouraging to each other, and I see that. I obviously can't comment back to every comment. It would take so much time away from my family, and I already spend so much time working on my channel. But just know that if you ever leave a comment on my videos, I see it. Every time. I do not miss any comments. I see them as they're coming in. I scroll through them in the afternoons. On my downtime, I'm always reading the comments. And even if I don't respond to it, please know I appreciate it. I see you, and I hope you know that although I can't comment, that I'm reading them. So I just wanted to share that with you. All right, so I'm just taking this little spray mop. I got this from Amazon. It has been wonderful. I use this every single day to spot mop, to sweep. It comes with like a little sweeper pad and then 2 mopping pads. The spray bottle is easy to fill up, and it's a game changer. This is one cleaning tool that I would say that you need in your life. It's really good, especially if you like a Swiffer type of mopping, like quick, easy. I really like this one over any type of Swiffer I've ever had. I've had the Swiffers, I've had the pads, I've had the little wet jet thing. This one is just so simple and works so well. The spray is great. I know I talk about this a lot recently, but it's because I really like it. And when I like something, I like it a lot. And then, of course, I want to share it with you guys because I want you to like it as much as I like it. And I will say, I've had a couple of you have already ordered it and messaged me or commented and said that you absolutely love it. So I'm super thankful that I'm able to recommend things that y'all actually like, because I think like one of my biggest fears as a YouTuber is to share something and y'all order it and hate it and just think that like I purposely lied or something. I would never do that. Like I promise, if you ever see me share something, it's because I genuinely like it, and I can only hope the same for you. All right, so here's how the dining room, kitchen, living room turned out. I already decorated at this point, so yeah, if you want to see all the decorate with me, like I said, I'll have that video linked below if you missed it. And now we're going to jump into some yard work. As you can see, the weeds were all grown up, the grass was growing, and yes, we are in December. We live in Florida. It's still hot here most days, so the grass and the weeds are still growing like crazy. But I did have to run around and pick up all the garbage first before I could start mowing. And yes, I was having issues with the mower, so I gave it a little love tap. Why is that an instinct? Like, if something isn't working, why do we feel the need to hit it? What's up with that? But anyway, I gave it a love tap, but it worked. I don't know. She just needed a little loving. So got the mower going, and I'm going to mow and weed eat the yard.
Slipping out the back door. But it's not what you're made for, and there's nothing that is too late for. Out of the cold into my warm hand, in the sun, it's already begun. You waver and slip and you get burned. But I'm here, so don't you worry, 'cause you know I'll be there in a hurry.
All right, so once I finished up weed eating around the yard, I went ahead and weed eated right here around like where the door is. But I wanted to point out, look how good our hibiscus tree is doing. Oh, it looks so beautiful. For a little bit there, it was dying and I couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. So I just trimmed it back and she took off again. I am so thankful because this is one of our like we have two hibiscus trees. We have one right there back in the corner next to the shed in the house. And we planted those when we first moved in into this house, and it's just crazy how fast they've grown. The one that I'm standing in front of right now that's in the background, you can see a little bit of the red flower by the shed, but it's like as tall as the house. It's crazy how big it's gotten. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow off the back patio, and then we're gonna move on to trimming up my banana tree. Now, every time I share like a yard work video, everyone always comments like, trim the leaves in the back and off the banana tree, and it's just not something I love to do. Honestly, the banana tree smells like bananas when you cut it, but it's not like a good banana smell. It's like a rotten banana smell. I don't know. I don't love the smell when I trim them because some of the leaves that you trim off, even though they're brown and they're hanging, they're still very much alive and there's juice all in them. So sometimes even when you cut the dead limbs, the juice will like come out. It's nasty and it just smells funky. It's just not something I love to do, but I do realize that when you do trim these leaves, it looks so much better. It's crazy just how like just doing a little yard work, what a difference it can make for your space. Like it's night and day. And yeah, I'm so happy I got it done. And it only took me like 10 minutes. The footage that I recorded was about 12 minutes long. But granted, I had to go back and forth, set up the tripod, move the camera type of thing. So cutting the limbs down only took about 11 minutes. Not bad at all. And I'm happy I got it done because it looks a heck of a lot better. All right, y'all, that's actually going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today while I cleaned up the house and tackled the yard work. I appreciate you watching so very much. If you happen to be new here today, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Hopefully next week I'll have a new cleaning video out. If not, just make sure that you keep an eye out for my main channel. I'm posting a lot more for the month of December and January, and yeah. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.